Hello. You closed it. Okay, so I wanted to take a little walk, even if the sun is not shining, but it's very misty and it's actually very peaceful. So I just filmed the doggies. They're still walking around on thin ice. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and just talk a little bit, I guess. Make this a part of a daily reading that I want to post today. Just a little Sunday chit chat. I know you guys miss these vlog kind of style videos, so I might start doing that more. Maybe bring the tripod and tarot cards and then start doing readings in nature. Actually, Heidi has talked about that there's what do you call that, like hunting cameras out here. I was like, oh. And I had an idea of actually, ooh, that reminds me, I wanna go to a place that she talked about. Maybe we should do that. But I actually wanted to take pictures out here. But if there's hunting cameras, you have to be a little careful. I have to think, which way do I want to go? I guess it doesn't matter. But these past days, well, especially yesterday. Ooh, distraction. Look at that. 222 with that, by the way. I have really been thrown into my moon in Scorpio. And another feather. I really had to learn that if there's something happening in my life, trying to think how I can explain this. Well, I need to learn to swim in my emotions, but in a more balanced way, instead of letting those emotions drown me. That's the thing. That's, if some of you guys have Scorpio in Moon, you know that is one of the toughest, or it is the toughest placement to have. But the older we get, or the more control we have over it, the easier it will also get for us to allow ourselves to feel without drowning, because that is the thing. We have a tendency to drown in our emotions and get very destructive, especially when it comes to relationships and when it comes to, oh my god, look at the muddiness here. It's like, what is that? But it's the, what do you call that? The ducks. Yeah. Sometimes I think I'm gonna show you guys this. For Scorpio Moon, it's very easy to feel rejected by the world, or in relationships, or by things that we want in our life, if it's money or whatever it is, right? It's very easy to feel rejected, or feel like, oh, now I feel too much, or now I am too much. And that's something, 555, that I have learned the past days, that nothing is wrong with me. I feel deeply. That is a part of my moon in Scorpio, and it's actually the big part of my psychic abilities. If I wouldn't feel this deeply, I wouldn't be able to tap into the energies around me. And the other worlds, the other realms, people's energies. Obviously it also means that I'm very empathic, so I feel other people's emotions, which is also something I know I have to be mindful of. And I can feel people's emotions if I'm together with them or not, no matter how far away they are from me. If I tap into it, I can feel other people's emotions, and again, either I drown or I swim. I need to learn to swim. Wow. This is what it does to walk in nature and talk about all this. If there's like a hunting camera right here, they're like, what the hell is he doing? But maybe this is also me embracing me doing this. This is what I do. I talk to a camera. Talk to you guys. Talk to something that's invisible, right? Because in the moment I speak to you guys with the camera, you guys are not there. But still I tap into the energy. And this is also for everyone out there, if you wanna be a YouTuber, no matter what it is, and just share your knowledge, because that is what we do. Especially with the Age of Aquarius. Ooh. What is that thing? You need to trust and believe in yourself. Yeah, exactly. But the point of this being, because I'm pretty sure that no matter if you have Aquarius Aquarius wow Scorpio in your moon or not, you might be someone who feels deeply, and it could be connected with Scorpio somewhere, or Pisces or Cancer, right? Look at this. This is how you hide. So I can't remember. Oh no, I don't know, because I think Heidi talked about that I could go somewhere, and then there was something. Huh. Maybe I should have asked her to show me. Well, I asked Heidi and she didn't know where I was. So now I'm gonna try to go this way. I mean, what can go wrong? How adorable is this? Oh, need to take a picture. This is also, I don't know why it's so white. Well, anyway. I don't know what it was that I was saying. Okay. But now I'm in the forest. Gonna try to walk down there. I was asking Heidi if it's hunting season, because I don't want to get shot. And I think this is a hunting. But she did say it's not. Oh, it's so much moss. Maybe we can see deers. But yeah, so that is what that is my realization from yesterday. Was that a deer? Anyway, we are going to try to go this way. Heidi sent me a voice message. How funny. Heidi's like, I've never been that way, so I don't know what other ways he's talking about. But now I'm going this way. Yeah. Well, that is what we do, right? Instead of being afraid of taking new pathways, we do it. They're like, oh no, this is unknown territory. I cannot go here. Oh, of course I can. Maybe I find something magical. Again, sometimes we, especially after Corona, I think a lot of us, we have become fearful of past experiences, for that sake, or how we grew up, right? Like, I recently spoke with a friend about my realization that I grew up with a mom who was very protective and afraid that something would happen to me, and that kind of fear is something I took over, right? Especially in my adult life. I think a lot of the times we realize it as adults that, oh my god, I have this fear of this and that. Okay, now I'm out here. I really wonder where I found that thing. We are at the edge. Wow. My god, there's a lot of forest here. Oh my god, it's white. So I came from in there. We can go this way. Oh, that way. Heidi did tell me not to what you call that? Get lost. So we'll try not to get lost. But I mean, this is just perfect. I mean, I can walk here. But yeah. So much forest. Absolutely crazy. Now I'm gonna try to go up there. Wonder if I remember where I went in, but I guess it doesn't matter. I have realized this after I started taking these walks into unknown territory, that the more that I explore, the wider I go, the more I just walk, the less afraid I am of what's around that corner. Oh my, there could be a serial killer. It could be. It's so effing silly. Like, why do we have those fears, right? It's probably society that's like imprinting all those fears so that we do stay trapped. But this is a fence because he talked about a fence. Well, anyway, my god, where am I? What is life? Wow. Holy effing badoli, look at that. Could you guys imagine how this is in the summertime? Oh, wait. There's actually, I think it's the deers. Uh-oh. Am I allowed to step into this? Oh, but there is another fence. But how beautiful. All the wide open nature. And just me. Or so I assume. Ooh. Okay, let's walk just a little bit more. But this is actually pretty beautiful. I was actually supposed to answer my friend Lena's voice memos, but now I can feel like I'm distracted by this. Well, I'm in the moment, right? That is what we do. Deep conversations can wait. Now I'm exploring. Yeah. Ah. What is this? This looks like a gate thing you can, well, looks like something that was closed at some point. It kind of feels like I'm somewhere where I have been before. Sounds so weird. I can hear Heidi's words in my mind. Do not get lost. I am going to turn around now. Even through that, my heart really wants to just go out there. Follow the path into the mist. Or follow the path that's very overgrown. Take the pathways where it's like less traveled, right? Is that, wow, the sayings today. Anyway, you guys get the last look the last view, and then I'm going to concentrate about answering my friend Lena's voice memos, and maybe I pick up the phone again, the camera again. But thank you guys for listening to me, for being a part of this forest adventure, deep realization adventure. I was scrolling around, what? And I found this. I don't know what it is. Is it? Oh, it's food. Maybe it's for the deers. Ah, interesting. Look at that. Well, cool. See, you guys got a little bit more, only because I found that. I found what Heidi was talking about. This is where they have had deers in the past, we think. So, by the sea, by the thingy, the lake, Heidi just went straight and I just went in the opposite direction. But there you go. There's another one of these weird feeders. There's something here. Maybe they like lay underneath I don't know. What is this actually? But look. I mean, there's probably no deers in there. I don't know why they actually like had them in here. Oh, look at that. Oh, birdie. Oh, this is... Oh. Again, my exploring heart is happy. And this is also... Well, it comes down to my Juno in... Sagittarius that's being activated. It's being activated now, so it makes sense that I'm exploring so much. So many weird things here. My exploring heart is excited. What is this actually? Oh. Huh. Don't know what. Oh my god, I can feel spider web. Don't know what was in here. You could actually totally use this for a photo shoot in a way. What have they had here? I mean, obviously it could be deers, but yeah. Whoa. Interesting. Whatever it is, it's here. So, going to walk a little bit further. Oh my god, I'm walking into one spider web after another, I can feel. So no one has been walking here. Is that another lake? I don't know. I think there's another lake here actually. Or something. It's not the same lake, no. Because that's in that direction. I wonder how much of this forest I have like walked around in today. Oh, okay. Oh my god, look. Well, I was just about to say that it's swans, but it's not. It's just big seagulls. We do not like them because they eat baby ducks. I wonder if I can... Oh shit. Oh, there is a fence around, I think. Anyway. But there's Another lake and another whatever that is. That's a big trap. What the hell do they actually capture with that? Oh. Oh, well, I think I could probably, maybe if I walk around and in there I could get out to that lake. I feel like I've been out walking for hours. Anyway. Yeah. Look at this tree. Epic. I found the sea, or the sea, I found the lake. Just walked around. So, still walking. How nice. Probably will turn around now.